a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So, let's go! Hello everyone! Today I am going to show you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. A Rubik's Cube has 6 colors: yellow, green, orange, blue, red and white. I am going to name the sides of the cube. Since this is the right side, I am going to name this as right, left, front, back, up and down. Later in this video, I will be referring the sides of the cube as R, L, U, D, F and B. Okay, now when I am turning this front side clockwise like this, I will call it as F. And when I am turning the front side anti-clockwise, I will call it as F inverse. So it is applicable for all the other sides. There is one step where we need to move two layers together, and I will call this as 2F. And to bring it back, I will be calling it as 2F inverse. Now I'll shuffle the cube. As you all can see, I've shuffled the cube. We'll go to the step 1. We have to make a plus with yellow in the center surrounded by white. Now I'll show you how to do that. And one main point is the yellow should be at the top only. We should bring white on all these corners. So I'll find my white. I got a white here. So I can just turn this side to the up and here you go. The white comes here. Now the next white is here. So I just can't do this. So I'll just turn it back. This front layer I'll just turn it to my right, and the white comes here, and I can turn it up. So I've got 2 whites. Now I'll find my third white. Yeah, I've got 2 whites here. Now I'll take the top layer and turn it this side. Bring this white to the top. Now I'll turn this 2 times, and yeah, I've got 3 of them. Now one more white is here. That's the same step. One white is here and one white is here. The remaining column is here, so I can just turn like this. And the white is here, so I can turn this 2 times. I've got a plus. Now we'll go to the next step, and that step is we need to match these colors. So at the top, for me it is orange. So I'll find orange at this side. The orange is here, and this top orange is here. So I'll bring that top orange here. So these got matched. Now I will turn it 2 times down. I've got this white here. I'll go back to the top. Now with the same step we should do the remaining. Now I'll do that also. You've got the matching of green. Turns 2 times down. Yeah, I've got blue also matching. I'll turn these down 2 times. And the we go. We got a plus down. Now the next step is to complete the bottom layer. Now I'll show you how to do the step. These both are not matching. Here it's orange and here it is green. And these both, it's not matching. Okay, now I'll show you how to solve it. I'm going to find a white with the colors. So I have a white. Yeah, I have a white with this white. This is red and this is blue. The step is R inverse U inverse. The white has come at the bottom, but it is not facing down. And the step is R inverse U inverse. It didn't come now. So it didn't come. The point came here. So I need to do again. R inverse U inverse. No, it didn't come again. So we need to do the step again. R inverse U inverse. We need to continue the same step. R inverse U inverse. Yeah, the point came here. This got matched. Yeah, the white also came here. Let me do the same step for other corners. I've completed the bottom layer and the white. The next step is to finish the middle layer. The next step is to match these colors. And it should not have yellow at the top. The color on the top should be on the right side or left side. Now, for me, at the top it is red and red is on my left side. So I'll turn the top layer to my right, that is my opposite side. If red is here, we should turn the top layer to the opposite side. Now the step is L inverse, U inverse, L, U. Turn the cube to your right side and do R inverse, U inverse. So we get both matching. Okay. Now we'll do the other side. So I have green and orange. So turn this to the left and the step is R inverse, U inverse. Turn the cube to your left and do L inverse, U inverse, L, U. And we got this also matching. Okay, now I have orange and blue. This green and orange, same step for this. Now I need to bring this middle part here. So the step is, before that you need to turn this to the left as the blue is to my right. And the step is R inverse, U inverse. Turn the cube to your left and do L inverse, U inverse, L, U. So we got this also matching. I got blue and orange, orange and green, green and red. I think one more left. Okay, I'll find. Yeah, I got these matching. See, blue and red. Red red is to my right, so I'll turn the top layer to my left. And the step is R, U, R inverse, U inverse. Turn the cube to your left and do L inverse, U inverse, L, U. You got the second layer also matching. Now we have completed the second layer. The next step is to make a plus at the top with yellow. So to make the plus, we need an L shape, and it should be like this. The step is to F and come back to the position and do R, U, R inverse, U inverse, and turn back. And you got a plus. The next step is to match the middle corner with the second layer. The step is R, U, R inverse, U, R, U2, R inverse. Now I'll match and see. Suppose I'll match blue. Okay, now I'll see the other sides. Yeah, I've got the matching. See? For you guys, if it's not matched, you can repeat the step. Okay, now I'll go to next step, which is the corners. For me, no corners matched. Like, for me, suppose red is here and green is here, that means it's matched. The step is U, R, U inverse, L inverse, U, R inverse, U inverse, L. I think some corner could be matched. For me, that time no corners were matched. The next step is to match the corners. So I'll take a matched corner. Yeah, I got a matched corner, green and orange. If there is no matched corner, you should do the step which I'm going to show you now. The step is U, R, U inverse, L inverse, U, R inverse, U inverse, L. I didn't get anything matching. This is only match. So I'll do the step again. U, R, U inverse, L inverse, U, R inverse, U inverse, L. Yeah, I've got this green and orange matching. Yeah, I've got everything matching now. Yeah. Now the last step. This should be a very careful step. If one turning go wrong, everything's gone. You should do it from starting again. And now for the last step, the step is R inverse, D inverse, R, D. 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 You should fully complete this step, okay? And till this finishes, this yellow, till it comes here, you should keep on doing. Now the other is here. You should not simply jump till here. Not like that. We should turn it like this and do the same step. R inverse, D inverse, R, D. R inverse, D inverse, R, D. I've got this also matching. Now I'll go to the next one. R inverse, D inverse, R, D. R inverse D inverse R D. I've got this also matching the last one. R inverse D inverse R D. 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 Yeah, I've got everything matching and the cube is also solved. Hope you all liked my video. Please click the bell button and thumbs up also. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.